Welcome to today's channel, which is we're gonna open this mystery box. I have no idea what's in it, but you and I are about to find out. I received a mystery box from a benefactor of this channel. This is the second box I've received. The first box actually knew what was in it, and I received this Blue Yeti microphone that I've been using in my most recent videos, and it's been absolutely great. But in this box, I have no idea what's in it. So let's get started with opening this box. Now, normally this is where people like pull out X-Acto blades and whatever else to open it. I don't have any of that with me right now. I'm just gonna do it by brute force. So let's see if we can open this with the least amount of effort. Okay, that actually was a lot easier than I was expecting. Oh! Alright. I think this whole thing actually just comes straight out. I was not expecting that. Yes. Ta-da! Wow, that was unexpected. Alright. It's a box in a box. Guess we could turn it around here so everyone can see. And yeah. Huh. There. Yes, for those who are wondering, I'm actually using a heavy-duty music stand because I couldn't find a actual chair stand that was tall enough that made this all work. If you know one, let me know in the comments below. But otherwise, yeah. So let's not have anything flip out. And of course, it's now gonna go, woo, don't go down. Okay. Yeah, this is probably not the best idea. So we'll go in a second here. Okay, so we're back. We've solved the stability problem a little bit, but let's not go too crazy here. Assuming I can open the latches. Oh, come on. And 3, 2, 1. I have no idea what this is. Oh, okay, this is a very interesting item. It apparently is a sextant. Huh! That's pretty cool. Totally unexpected. I will have to actually figure out how to use one of these. But it does have some glass elements in it. There you go. So theoretically it does follow under what we're doing. And a whole bunch of other little neat, I have no idea what any of this stuff does. Oh, that's kind of neat. And awesome. Is that all that there is in the box? Yeah, that's it. So yeah, so I have this cool sextant that I was totally not expecting to get, but yeah, this should be neat. So yeah, for astrophotography, navigation, etc., they used to use one of these, and I'm now gonna have to learn how to use one of these. So be sure to follow this channel because the next 2, 3, maybe 4 videos down the line, I'm gonna show you how to use one of these once I figure out how to use one of these things. So after about 5 minutes worth of Googling, this is a Mark 25 sextant from Davies Instrument. It is their top of the line plastic sextant. It looks pretty cool, fancy, with various sunshades. I'm just like, don't pull the filters out, Graham. Don't pull the filters out. So check out this future video once it's up, and I will show you how to use one of these things. Because, yeah, I just actually have to read, I think it's a 20-page manual on how to use a sextant. And then condense it down to like a 5-10 minute video for you. So, hope you enjoyed the content, and yeah, that's it for this channel. Thank you for watching.